Hello there. I would like to show you how to make an origami basketball hoop. And then I'd like to show you some games that I've made up that you can play with your origami frogs. Back to the basketball hoop. Notice this is a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. We don't need to turn it into a square. Just a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper or any rectangular piece of paper. Just like the first fold in a frog, or actually the second fold, you're going to make an X, and then you're going to bring the right and left side in together. Now, if you have a stapler, I don't have a stapler myself at home, so I'm going to use masking tape. But you can see those two parts curl around together and tape it, glue it, staple it, whatever you happen to have, and fold the feet in as well. Now, you have a hoop. You could crumple up small pieces of paper and try to toss them in there. Let's see. But you can also jump a frog into the hoop. I'm first going to show you trying to get paper in there. Ooh, yay. Oh, another one. Nice, 2 in a row. And the frogs, again, frogs, the cranes, the flapping birds, the water bombs, anything that I show you, most origami starts with a square piece of paper. And most of you are going to start with a rectangular piece of paper. This is one way to turn your rectangle into a square. I showed you a different way before, but if we want to get 2 squares, you do a hamburger fold the paper in half, and then bring that corner down, and now I have 2 squares. I'm going to use one of those to make a frog. Of course, you can repeat this over and over again, and now I have a much smaller square. So that is how you can, that's one of many ways to turn a rectangle into a square. All right, can I jump it in? No, missed twice. Kobe! I did it. Oh, one more. Yeah, right on. Okay, so that was frog basketball. Here's frog marathon. I gave my frogs an identity. Tom Holland, the guy who plays Spider-Man, and then a boxer dog frog. You can make up your own rules. Like I usually say, if they land on their back, that means they're dead, and you got to start over. This is frog golf. If I could show you a bigger area on my camera, I would have spread things out a little bit, but you can have a circle with a number, however many holes that you want. You could have different obstacles, and then I would just say if you're playing against someone or just playing against yourself, you might count the number of hops it takes to get into the circle, and again, make up your own rules. I will probably just say if it breaks the outside of the circle, that counts. Those are just some ideas that you can do with an origami frog.